Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about one of the most talked about topics in sex education, and that is the G-spot. So I'm going to start out with a little bit of education. We're going to talk about what it is, where it's located, and how it enhances your pleasure whether you are playing solo or with a partner. Then we're going to dive into a product that is specifically and luxuriously designed for G-spot stimulation, and that is the LELO Gigi 3. So if you want to skip ahead to that part, just click on the timestamp below. Let's talk about the G-spot. It is a highly sensitive and erogenous zone that is located about 1 to 3 inches inside the vagina on the upper wall. It is often described as having a slightly rougher texture than the areas surrounding it, which is the urethral sponge and is near the Skenny's glands, which is the female prostate. Because yes, we have a prostate too. And when this area is rhythmically and deeply stimulated, it can cause swelling and engorgement and intense pleasure, and eventually some fluid can be released. And yes, that is called squirt. And this has happened to me before when I use products like the G-spot stimulator LELO Gigi 3. I have accidentally made myself squirt. My body just can't control itself. Now, not everyone will experience the same kind of pleasure from G-spot stimulation. For some, it can be intensely pleasurable and lead to stronger orgasms and sometimes squirting, like it did in my case. But for others, it might not feel as prominent. Everybody's body is different, and that is totally okay. The key here is just exploring what works for you and your body. And that is where the LELO Gigi 3 comes in, my friends. They have designed another well-rounded, luxurious product that is meant specifically for the G-spot stimulation. And I was lucky enough to try it out and make my bed a little bit wet. So you've probably heard me talk about LELO before on my channel. They are a luxurious brand with cutting-edge innovation and technology, but they are not just a sex toy company. It's a self-care movement that celebrates pleasure without shame for everyone, regardless of age, gender, orientation, or background. LELO products are made with body-safe materials and meet international standards and have a 10-year quality guarantee. This isn't just a sex toy that you're buying. It is an investment in your sexual and pleasure health. And this product is no different. So the Gigi 3 vibrator is specifically designed to help with G-spot stimulation. So it has this flat, slightly curved tip that makes it perfect for targeting the G-spot with precision. All right, so now I'm gonna go over the 8 pleasure patterns that the Gigi 3 offers that you can comfortably control and find the rhythm that works for you. So what we're gonna do first is go into our LELO app, because this one is powered by Bluetooth, and we're gonna connect it. As you can see here, we have the Gigi 3, and we're gonna press play, and we're gonna go into manual mode, and we're gonna start with the relaxed, just to show you guys what the vibration is like, and we're gonna press start. So I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, we're gonna increasingly go higher. If you guys can hear that, I'm gonna put it close to my mic. Now we're at 6, now we're at 7, and 8. And then we have all these different pleasure patterns. So we got the daring, there we go. The stimulated, can you hear that? The thrilled, very nice, delighted, so many. And we got the last one, which is ecstasy. Listen to that one. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, if you want something that is a little bit more tailor-made, so let's say you don't want to sit there and control things yourself and you just want to relax and have the work be done for you, then you can go into the advanced mode and enjoy one of these tailor-made pleasure patterns just for you that can make you experience an incredible orgasm. So we got the finish me off. So let's start that. I don't know if you can hear that. There we go. You see that? Oh yeah. And then there was my personal favorite, the Out of Control, which I feel like is a little bit softer. It's not as intense. There we go. Can you hear that? It's very nice. It's very smooth. It's not too overstimulating, I find. And if you are curious, the Out of Control mode is actually the mode that I used to help me finish with the Gigi 3. And I'm not gonna lie, there was some fluid that came out of me because you know what? Sometimes that happens when you stimulate the G spot and you're having a good time, you squirt a little bit. It's actually quite funny and interesting and strange, but good at the same time when you make yourself squirt. I'm used to my partner making me squirt, but when I'm able to do that surprisingly by myself, it's always a nice surprise. So yeah, those are the pleasure patterns that the Gigi 3 offers. As you can see, there is a range of different kind of stimulation that you can find that suits the rhythm of your body. So how exactly does the Gigi 3 help with G-spot stimulation? So the key is actually all in the tip. So as you can see, it has this flat curved edge that allows for precise stimulation on the G-spot. And not only that, but it also serves as a great clitoral stimulator beforehand. So if you need a little bit of warming up before, you insert this bad girl into your vagina, then I really recommend using this beautiful flat tip and one of the 8 pleasure patterns to, just go around your lips a little bit, tease yourself, get a little bit juiced up, tease that clit a little bit. If you need a little additional help with the lube, LELO always offers a little sachet of lube in their package. Do I have it here? Yes, I do. There you go. Mine is ripped because I used it. But yeah, so if you need a little bit of lube, which again, I really recommend that you do always use lube before you insert this wonderful Gigi into your vagina to get that intense G-spot pleasure. Now, with the right amount of warm up, pressure, and vibration, you're more than likely to hit that sweet spot and experience the type of stimulation that will lead to intense pleasure. And what's great about toys is that you can use this baby as solo pleasure. So if you are self-discovering, if you love that G-spot action, you can definitely use this to play with yourself. And you can also use it in partnered pleasure because again, there is nothing wrong with using toys in your partner's play. And if you are, then you can either watch your partner use this on themselves and watch them, do a little clitoral stimulation before you watch them get all excited with that G-spot pleasure. Or if you really want to participate, you can use it on your partner. And if you get there, you might even see a little squirting, if the pleasure gets there. Who knows? Who knows? And what is another wonderful feature that the LELO app offers is the Love Bridge. Now, if you're in a situation where your partner cannot be with you, just like I am right now because my partner is many, many countries away from me right now, you can use the Love Bridge feature in the LELO app, which allows you to connect your wonderful Gigi 3 and invite your partner to a private, dirty chat room where you both can play together and they can control the wonderful pleasure patterns that are available to stimulate you and to excite you and to bring you sexually and intimately closer together, even if physically you are many, many, many miles away from each other. It is also waterproof, so do not be scared to use this baby in the shower to just, enhance your shower experience. And by the way, if you are interested in checking out this LELO Gigi 3 G-spot stimulator, either for yourself Or if you want to offer your partner a beautiful, wonderful pleasure gift, you can absolutely do so by clicking on the link below this video. And because LELO is awesome and they love you guys, they are offering my viewers 15% off. So click that link and get all the information you need to start enhancing your pleasure today. So finding your G-spot can take some time and patience. And this is why great toys like, where is it? The Gigi 3 exists, so you can take the time to explore your body, learn new parts about it, and really discover those pleasure points that are going to make you scream, or your partner. So who would I recommend the LELO Gigi 3 for? If you're someone who enjoys targeted and deep stimulation and you're curious about exploring G-spot stimulation, then this toy is great for you. Its ergonomic design and its smooth texture makes it really comfortable to use. And with the variety of pleasure patterns, it really ensures that you can tailor your experience to your preferences. So if you're interested in giving it a try for yourself, or again, if you're looking to surprise your partner with a fun new toy, then click on the link below this video. And remember, LELO is offering my viewers 15% off. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. And if you want more bonus content, more behind the scenes, you can always check out my Patreon and connect with me. I'll put that in the description below as well. And don't forget, if you do so, you are supporting the growth and the maintenance of this channel, and I am forever grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Je vous aime.